Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify payment on hold. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, it says that your payouts from Shopify payments are temporarily on hold while we review your account. But before it gets on review, you would need to upload some documents first that is requested by Shopify to prove your identity and so on, just so that Shopify would be able to make sure that you are not a fraud or whatsoever right there for security purposes. So make sure that you upload your documents. As you can see, it says that an email with more details about this payout hold was sent to the account owners. So it should be sent into your email. And from there, you need to upload your document and provide information that was requested to you by Shopify. But if for some reason that you have already uploaded your documents and provided them the information, but still you didn't get a reply, or for whatever reason, then what you can do is that you can go for help.shopify.com, and from here you can chat with a live agent. So from here you can go for reply with "I want to talk to a live agent and more support is needed," and describe your question or problem. My Shopify payment is on hold. And then you want to send that. And from here, what you can do is right here. And you want to click here on chat with a support advisor right here. And now, there it is, chat with a support advisor. And from here, you are now in line. And all that's left basically is when you are now chatting with the support advisor is that you want to go and explain every detail of your experience so that they would have all the information needed to help you. And yeah, this is the only and the best way that you can do this is to go chat with a support advisor so that they can specifically help you with your problem. And that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.